Song number 18, The Boy Scout. This piece has 2 quarter notes followed by a half note. Make sure the quarter note gets only 1 beat, drawing the bow quicker, and then the half note, the bow needs to be saved and drawn much slower since it requires 2 beats. Here we go. Get my playing position with my thumb right here, fingers on the body of the violin. Get my bow hold ready, fingers spread all apart. I'm going to place my bow at the frog on the E string. After 4 counts, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, cross over to A string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross over to the E string. 1, 2, rest, rest, cross over to A. E. Let's do that one more time. The last bar, you have to cross 2 strings from the A to the E fairly quickly since you have 2 quarter notes, which are only 1 beat. One more time. Place my frog part of the bow on the E string to get it started. Make sure my violin is up and at eye level. No droopy violins like this. Make sure arm is curved. The left arm is away from the body. Check your bow hold. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Rest, rest, cross to A. E. 1, 2. Stop and freeze for a few seconds, then place your violin down.